Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this week's video, I want to go over a simple little tip that you can do in Final Cut to copy your effects and settings from one clip and paste it to the rest of your project. Some of the stuff in Final Cut, the effects, basically you just drag it and drop it onto the specific clip, and if you're editing a big project, there's going to be a ton of different clips in there. And instead of dragging and dropping to each individual clip, this is a super simple, easy way for you to do everything you want to do to one clip and then paste it to all the rest of them. So let's get on the computer and check it out and show you how to do it. Alright, so for the example, I'm going to use footage from the video I did last week. So like I said, it's really simple. First thing we're going to do is select our clip that we want to add all the effects to. This is obviously not what I would make it look like, but just to show you the difference between one clip to the other, you'll hit Command C and then go to the other three, hit Shift to select them, or you can just do a drag and copy, but it's copying onto the title, so I'll undo those by hitting Command to add or take away. So I have those three clips selected, and then you hit Shift Command V, and that brings up this page right here. So right here it's showing automatically checked that of what we did to the other one. We added effects and did it on the color board, so we'll leave that selected. If anything else is selected that you don't want, just uncheck it, and then we'll hit paste. And now that each of those individual clips have the same effect added to it, and you're finished. And that's really easy to add the effect. I'll do one more example and do effects to the video again, but also do some stuff to the audio and show you how we can paste it. Same thing, but we'll just show you the difference that it'll do. So right here is me from doing the video last week. If I select on it and we do some crazy things, overexposed or extremely contrast, we also do some effects to the audio. So let's crank it up. So the audio is really way too high, but just to show you how it'll change here. So we'll do again Command C, and then from that clip we'll drag and drop, and then hit Shift Command V, and again it brings up the window. This time shows the audio effects and again the video effects. Then you paste that, and it did it to all the clips that were selected, so everything blends in and matches. Alright, so as you can see, that is a super easy trick for you to do to save you a lot of time. Back early in my video editing, when I was finally able to get Final Cut, I was dragging an effect to each individual clip and it was taking so much time. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it helped you out any, I'd really appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up, and if you want to keep up with the videos I put out every week, you know where the button is down there. And thanks for watching.